Okay. And here's your bags here.
Oh.
I got him. I'm videotaping this on my cell phone.
Why didn't you come down earlier and cool off the car?
Yeah, start the bimmer. You want those in the back seat? Okay. Okay. Just on top of stuff here?
That's
Yep,
fine.
that's fine.
And you know how you're catching 75, right?
I know how to get set. I take this thing out to 75.
That's right. Straight out.
That's hard to remember.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta hug my auntie.
Yes, 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 yes. Oh,
Okay.
goodbye, little guy.
Well, I'll try to grow up someday.
We'll try to come see you next time.
Yes,
We haven't been that part of the world in a long time.
Well, the last time I was
We go somewhere.
There you go.
last time I was nursing the foot. Remember? That was pre diagnosis.
Yeah. Did this get closed on the way?
It self-locking.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
All right. Wave bye.
Good.
Be careful out there.
Yeah.
Charge your phone up, Netta. Do you have that charger?
Yep.
Yeah, put it in. You charge it up. Like sending the kids off to camp for the first time.
Did you kiss your uncle?
No,
Oh, go kiss your uncle.
boys don't kiss.
We kissed your uncle.
Yeah, here we go. Yeah, now he's got to adjust everything because I was in there and. Okay. That's a nice little hot rod. Only one little scratch in the front there. Yeah. All locked in. Toodles. Bye. Get my hand in there. They're coming back. Here they go. Yeah. Oh boy. It will take him a whole day to get there, I think. Oh, he's going to whiz around the corner on two wheels. Okay.